Welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I would be sharing the steps how we can defrag the drive. So defragment is really a good tool in order to ensure that our system runs in a very good speed. Like there are cases where a system run at a very slow pace, no matter what hardware we are using, and we have a good RAM, and there could be chances for it. So defragment is really helpful in those scenarios. So I would be sharing the steps how it can be done. So the simple step would be to first of all open your Explorer window and then click on your computer, go to your local drive and then do a right click on it, go to properties, go to tools and then click on defragment now. Once you do that, it will show you all the drives available. As currently I only have C drive with me, so that's why it is showing C drive. If I have D, E like that, so it would be showing like this in a list. So as it is showing over here that I never run the defrag, and yes, I never run the defrag on it. So you just need to select it once and then click on defragment disk. It will auto start the process like this, and then you can select all the drives like this, and then you can start the defragment. For now, I'm stopping the defragment because I will go and showcase you the another way as well. So I just stopped this process. However, you can just leave it as it is and let it run because there are multiple phases based on the condition of the hard disk. It may run for a day sometimes. That totally depends on the hard disk state. There are 8 to 9 phases and those phases contain their subparts. So yes, it can take time. So give it time and then give a beautiful restart to the system, and then your system would be in a good shape at that moment if it is not running fine. So let's close this part and let's jump to the another way where we can do the defrag. So let's suppose we are already aware we have C drive in our system and we want to defrag the C drive. So what we need to do, we need to click at the left bottom corner, the start icon. Once we click on it, type CMD and then do a right click on command prompt, which is CMD, and then click on run as administrator. It will welcome you with another prompt. Click on yes on it. Now we have the administrator window. Over here, we need to type defrag, which is DEFRAG, and then give a space. Name of the drive, like my drive name is C. If it would be D, so instead of C, it would be mentioning D over here. So under brackets, it mentioned the name of the drive. And as you can see, it's a network location over here. So this is drive F. So this is how the drive is mentioned. So we just need to mention the drive over here. So it's C, no matter it's capital or small, both works. Give a colon and then give a space hyphen F. F stands for fragment and push enter. Once you push enter, it will start showing you like invoking defragmentation on C, and once it get complete, it will show us that as well. So let me show you that is it running or not, because over CMD it never shows you the status. You need to check it manually if you want to. So I clicked on the properties and clicked on tools and then defragment now, and here we can see it is showing 80% analyze. So this is how the defragment goes. So as seems like it will gonna take a long time, so I'm pausing the video for the moment, and as soon as it get complete I will resume the video and I will show you the message which will be displayed over the CMD over here. See you then. I resume the video. Here we can see the pass is 1 and it is 3% completed, and at the left hand side we have the CMD where it is showing the status of it. So I will keep on updating you if there would be any changes or there would be any pass, and I will see you hopefully at the end. So the process got completed successfully, and at the right hand side we can see the date time when it was initiated, and at the left hand side we can see the pre-defragmentation report and post-defragmentation report along with the message the operation completed successfully. We're also showing the total defragmented space which was in previous to running, and after running it is showing 0%, which shows that yes, it runs successfully, and then largest free space which was 14.41 gigabytes earlier is now 20.75 gigabytes. So this indicates that it went well, and this is how we can defrag the device, and I would recommend everyone to do this at least once in a month so that their system remains in a good shape. So this is all for the video, guys. Do like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, do dislike it, and your comments are very valuable. So thank you for watching. See you soon.